There are many services in Thailand to get a driver's license for money. But how to do it yourself? And it may seem that it is impossible or very difficult to get a driver's license by yourself, and you need to pay anyway. To be honest, this applies to all services in Thailand. It seems that all in Thailand is very difficult or expensive. Let's check it. To exchange your national driver's license for a Thai driver's license, here is a detailed step-by-step guide. Step 1. Take the documents. Medical certificate. Passport and national driver's license. Copies of the first page of your passport and the page with the latest entry stamp. Copies of your national driver's license. The most challenging part is the certificate of residence. Step 2. Certificate of residence. Go to the immigration office. Here. Let's go? Okay, it's not very good, but in Phuket, you can ride a bike without even needing a license. Nobody really really cares about it. If, by any chance, you happen to get caught riding without a license, the fine is just 1,000 baht. I've been living here in Thailand for half a year now. I haven't been stopped by the cops even once. It's like they don't even care. It's actually better to have that license just in case. So let's park our bike for a bit and head over to get that certificate of residence. If possible, arrive early to have a better chance of submitting all your documents on the same day. To get a certificate, we need office number 101. The office operates from 8:30 a.m. to 12 and from 1 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. To obtain certificate of residence, you will need photos, a rental agreement, passport copies, latest entry stamp copy, and Form TM30, which can be provided by the owners of your accommodation or hotel. Note that if you need licenses for both motorcycles and cars, you will require 2 separate residence certificates. If anything is missing, the staff at the offices generally help you. Okay, let's go next. Step 3. Obtain a medical certificate. Find any medical facility and request a medical certificate for a driver's license. The cost usually ranges from 100 to 300 baht. After obtaining the certificate, we need to go to transportation office. Distance from the immigration department to transport 650 meters. 3 minutes and we are there. If you did everything quickly, there is a chance to be in time before 12 to hand over all the documents. Join the queue on the left side of the office for document submission. Make sure not to confuse it with the queue on the right, where people are already receiving their licenses. Waiting in line. Submit documents. That's all for today. You need to come back here only next month. Yes, you need to wait a month. I know, it's a bummer, but that's just how things work around here. In my case, I had to wait for almost 2 months for the next step. The reason for the delay is unclear, as it seems to be the standard procedure. Maybe because I think you need to be sabay, relaxed, and is not sabay to be hurry. Now the most challenging part is behind you. The next step is to complete an online driving course in the Thai language and answer a few questions. The online driving course in Thai will be attached to a QR code along with a slip indicating the date. You will need to register for the course using your national ID number and date of birth. Next, you will need to watch 5 videos and answer questions after each video, using Google Translate for assistance. The final step. Take all your documents again. Join the line on the right side, where you will show the QR code as proof that you have completed the online course and answered the questions. Then, you will be directed to take a reaction test. Place your folder of documents in the designated box and wait for your turn. Step on the pedal to check reaction. Pay attention to the traffic light, determine its color, and you're done it. After completing the reaction test, you will receive a queue number and need to wait for your turn to pay the fee, 105 Thai baht. Then go to take your photo and you will finally receive your coveted Thai driver's license. Congratulations, now you have your Thai driver's license.
This way, how to change your license if you have it. But if you do not have any existing driver's license and need to do new, the process is similar, but you will also need to pass a theoretical exam along with the practical driving test.
There are other ways to obtain a driver's license in Thailand. Some people can help simplify the process, but they typically come at a higher cost, around 10,000 baht. Consider your options and choose the path that suits you best. I hope this information was helpful. And if you have any questions, please ask me in comments and I can answer it in comments. Safe driving, and thank you for Nothing Happens watching.